Hello, I'm a bulldozer driver and I'm constructing a road with black asphalt. I roll the asphalt flat with my road roller. Hey workers, I think I need some more asphalt.
Okay, we will bring you some more now. Here's some from my wheelbarrow.
Here is some in my buckets. And here is some from my truck. Okay, we have brought you more asphalt so you can construct more road. Okay, the asphalt needs to cool down now, and it's time for our lunch break.
Great, we can take a 1 hour lunch break.
If you're going to have your lunch, may I please go for a drive?
Yes, off you go, Greeny, but be back in half an hour.
Great, okay, I understand. I'll be back. I don't have to work for an hour. Shall I go this way? No, I'll go this way. What's that barrier? What is this? It's hot. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh dear, help, I'm stuck. Someone help me.
Oh look, it's Greeny.
Help, help, please.
Ha ha! Oh, Greeny! Oh, Greeny, you're stuck in hot asphalt.
Help me, it's hot.
Okay, let's get him out, or his tires will burn.
Okay, I'm coming to help.
Greeny, catch hold of this hook.
Okay, got it. Okay, now hold on. Thank you, crane driver.
Thank you, but Greeny, you've ruined our asphalt road. Now you will have to repair it for us. So you will have to drive the road roller.
Me? Really? Oh, great. I have always wanted to drive a road roller.
Make the road nice and flat, Greeny.
Of course. It's a lot of fun doing your job.
Ha ha!